Hello everyone, my name is Parth and I welcome you to our channel Must Watch Tips. And this is the third video of PowerPoint challenge series. And in this video, we have a challenge of making a PowerPoint presentation which looks like an e-commerce website of footwear store. So here we have the name of footwear store, Must Watch Tip Footwear, Wear Your Luck, the tagline, and here we have the brand name, the category, colors available, and the MRP and the ratings. At the down here we have the cookie settings, privacy, terms and condition and copyright. So if I move to the next slide, it looks very interesting. See, wonderful. The shoe has changed, the name has changed and the shoe looks like a 3D model. Yes, and these are the variety of shoes the stores has. Quite interesting, and it will be a challenging to make this presentation, but don't worry, I'm here with you. I'll show you step by step how to make this PPT in simple steps. So do watch this video till the end, and without wasting time, let's get started with making this presentation. So first of all, let us take a blank presentation and we need to insert a 3D model. And now those who don't know what a 3D model looks like in a PowerPoint, let me show you. So if I go to insert, here you have an option of 3D models. I'll go to stock 3D model option, and here we have the list of 3D models which PowerPoint offers. So if I take this astronaut, I select this and I click on insert. It is totally different from the image which we insert or the picture which we insert. So as soon as you insert 3D model, you will see a symbol like this where you can select this symbol and you can rotate this image like this. So this is a 3D model. This is really very exciting feature of PowerPoint which is now available. So currently I'm using Home and Student 2019. If I go to account, you can see that I'm using a Microsoft Home and Student Office 2019. So now it is available in almost all the versions of PowerPoint. And now let us quickly move to our presentation. So first of all, let us make the placeholders where we want to have the shoes displayed and the details which we wanted to display over here in the right hand side. So first we will go to insert, then we will go to shape and let us select circle. And by holding shift button, we will make an exact circle like this. And the tip is that if you, while making a circle, if you will hold the shift button, it will be exactly a circle. So if I'll go to insert again, go to shape and go to circle. If I don't press shift, then it can be a oval shape as well. So if you want to make exactly a circle, then hold the shift button. And this method applies to other shapes as well, like square, triangle, etc. So our first shoe will display right over here. Now let us change some formatting of this. So I'll go to shape format. I will select no outline, and in the shape fill, let us choose this blue. Let us go to shape format again. We will go to shape effects, and in shadow, let us take a shadow. Now let us duplicate this. So I'll select this and I'll press Ctrl D. Ctrl D enables you to duplicate the same object which you have selected. So I'll place the another one over here like this. I'll again press Ctrl D, place one more over here, and the last one over here. So we'll display 4 shoes over here and one more shoes which will be displayed over here. Now let us go to insert, go to shape, and let us select a rectangle and we'll place it over here like this for the details of the shoe and the company name. We'll go to shape outline and select no outline. We'll go to shape fill and let us select color like this, or else you can change the color from here. So you can go to more color fill and you can select color whatever you feel which is right for your theme. So I'll choose this one. I'll change the color of this to this. Now let us add the name of the store. So I've just copied it in my clipboard. So I'll place it over here by pressing Ctrl V. So you can design this according to your preference. So in the must watch tips, I have chosen Oswald font and the font size is 20. The footwear is written in freestyle script, which is of the 80 font size. and the tagline is in the Mistral font and the size is again 18. Now that's the name of the shoe store or the name of the website. Now let us add the name and the other details of the shoe which can be possible in a website. So again I have copied it in my clipboard, so I'll paste it over here like this. So again I'll show you what are the fonts and size. So the font style is this one and the font size is 24. I have placed a line over here to separate this, the name and the details of the shoe. This is the category which I have, men's sportswear. It is available in 4 colors. We are having a discount of 26% and the MRP. In the ratings, I have inserted a separate star from the uh, shape options. Here we have a option of star, this one. So now we are ready with the placeholders and the text boxes we need to have in our slide. And now it's time to add 3D model. So if you go to 3D models, go to stock 3D images, stock 3D models. If I search shoes over here, so you can choose 3D models from here as well. There are many options available. But if you want to take 3D models, which I took, which were really fancy shoes and the branded shoes, so you can go to this website called sketchfab.com, where you can search shoes and it will show variety of options from where you can select elegant shoes, leather shoes. You have the branded Nike shoes. You can also hover over that shoe to see how it looks. So wherever you see a dollar symbol in the corner, top right corner, then you need to pay for that particular 3D model. But if you are able to see download option like this, then you can download it in free. It is free of cost if you download it from this website. So let us say I want to download this 3D model. So I'll click on this download option which is available and make sure you download it in the GLB format and you can choose whatever size of the image which you want to have. The texture size is 8K over here. So the more the texture size, the more sharp the image will be. But make sure you have a good processor in your system and it also depends on how many shoes you want to display in your presentation. So I'll choose this one, texture size, medium texture size. So I'll click on download. I'll select the path and save. And now let us go to our presentation. Go to insert, go to picture and select this device. Go to downloads. And here you won't be able to see that 3D model. So we'll go to all pictures and select all files. And let us select this blue Vans shoe GLB file, which we have just downloaded. So even though you inserted an image of GLB format, it will be a 3D model. So you don't need to go to 3D model and insert. You can always insert from the pictures tab as well. You can even go to 3D model this device and this will also enable you to insert the GLB format or the 3D model. So as I told you, if you insert a 3D model, you have a button in the center to rotate that image. So we will rotate this and you can even rotate like this, set this image like this. I will go to insert and now we will go to 3D model from this device and let us select this 3D model and again it will be like this. And in this way I will place 8 shoes, 1 2 3 4 4 for here and 4 will be displayed over here, so it will be keep on rotating if I select next. So in a way total we have 8 to 9 shoes which will be there in our presentation, but we will only display 1 2 3 4 and 5 of it in a slide. So we have 4 shoes placed away from the slide area and 4 shoes placed over here and 1 shoes is displayed on the main placeholder. Now our first slide is ready and let us make a second slide. So I will go to this slide number 1 and press Ctrl D. So that will duplicate the slide. And now let us change some things over here and make sure you do this step very carefully. So the next shoe display would be this one. So I will bring this to the center. I will bring the shoe at the bottom to the upper placeholder. I will bring we will keep on rotating. So this shoe will be placed over here. Let us bring this down. This shoe will come here, and the top shoe will be displayed. We won't be displayed in the screen, so it will go to top. The shoe which was initially displayed in the first slide will go to this position like this. So let us see the difference. The blue shoe which we displayed goes to here, replacing the yellow shoe, and the yellow shoe move to the top. The top position goes away from the slide area, and the red shoe which was not there in the frame will be placed right here in place of this shoe. So it looks like this. And now let us position this shoe like this. We'll keep on rotating until we get the desired position like this. Perfect. Now it's time to change the name, and I won't delete these text boxes. I will place it over here, and these two text boxes will be displayed for this black shoe. I'll tell you the reason why I haven't deleted this. And now we are ready with our second slide. So the first slide looks like this, second slide looks like this, and now let us make third slide. So I'll press Ctrl D. So the name of the shoe in the first slide is Fila Vendors. The current slide has the name Steps in Motion, and the slide which is the third number slide which will come next has the name Best Ride. So the current slide should have the text boxes which are above and below of that particular slide. And now let us do our last step, and which is the main step in this presentation. So we'll go to slide, select first slide and press Ctrl A, and that way we will select all. Now let us go to transition and apply Morph Transition. And in transition you can even change the duration. So now let us see what we have made. So here we are in the first slide. If I press next, it will move to the second slide where we have kept the black shoe in the center, and you notice that what happened over here in the right hand side. Let us go to first slide again. See, this is why we have kept the text boxes of the previous and next slide. So now if I press next, this is how it looks. And if I go to third slide, it will look like this. Now if I go to next slide, the presentation will end. So to continue this presentation in a loop, we will go to slideshow, we'll go to setup slideshow, and we will select loop continuously until escape. So we'll click on this button and select OK. So for the sake of this video, I have just made 3 slides. You can make another slides for each of the shoes which we have placed in this presentation. And I hope you like this video, and please consider subscribing this channel, and please do share your comments and feedback in the comment box given below. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.